it's unfair to animals because they can't talk, they can't tell you how they feel or what they'll do better. They don't learn as easily as humans.
Have no heart and
people that don't have hearts.
What can people do to stop animal cruelty?
Protest. Adopt.
I believe that it's not fair because they also have feelings, so we should not hurt them and abuse of them because they're also important to their life. And there's some people that don't have hearts and they just abuse them and everything, which is not right.
What do you think about animal cruelty?
What I think about animals is that they shouldn't be chained.